Traditional robots are shipped out of the factory in a fixed size and form. It cannot be reapplied to new production lines, resulting in idling and waste. The detachable joint robot is like building blocks that can be assembled by hand in 5 minutes and set up and run within 10 minutes. The detachable joint robot saves time and energy on production lines. It has the advantages of small size, portability, and quick assembly, and can lift 6-kilogram heavy objects. This technology has been recognized by the 2021 Global Top 100 Technology R&D Awards. The detachable joint robot can be widely used in the machinery industry, 3C industry, medical surgery, home assistance, and other fields.